Checking things out this morning. Sean was about to fire them up. I've got the usual drip or two from the bell housing area. Otherwise, nothing too serious so far.
So this is the first gas stop where we've got good data on miles per gallon. We went almost exactly 40 miles and I just put in 5.35. So he's getting just under 8 miles per gallon, which I think is better than he was doing yesterday. Got a, this is a slight leak weeping down the coolant line that runs up to the heater core. And I'm hoping that tightening this clamp slightly will solve it. I guess we'll see. Well, yesterday's coolant leak coming off this hose on the valve just before the heater core seems to be fixed just by tightening that clamp. So when you need a win, I guess there's sometimes a win. I'm not particularly excited about this little wet spot on the bottom of the gas tank. I really hope running under pressure isn't finding like a little pinhole in this. I'm gonna take a minute and change out this filter again, hoping to rule out fuel starvation on hills because of slow flow through these filters. That's some red colored gas from back out of the filter. I took a second to dump the little bit of gas that would run back out of this filter, and that's what that is. That's all rust. You can see it on my glove. That's all rust in this filter, and I'm hoping we get a little better running with better fuel flow through this filter.
Well, we had planned to get a new gas tank for him. Maybe we need, because we're emergency rolling, and we would have done it. Maybe
for a couple bucks we can keep buying filters if that keeps a band-aid on the problem right now. We do need a gas tank eventually. It's gonna take a few minutes for these fumes to clear. That's a fresh fuel filter, just filling with gas. Hoping for an improvement in how it runs with that.